if Adam and Eve were never meant to eat of the tree, why would God put it with them? This is my answer. The trees were the physical embodiment of man's freedom to choose. The Bible carries deep themes and symbols. And just because something is a symbol doesn't mean that it's not real. Everything in God's creation is symbolic because everything is pointing us towards God and eternal truths. And so these trees, they were in fact trees, but they represented something that we are confronted with every single day. Will I choose God's way? Will I trust that God knows what's best for me? That He has designed the world in such a way that I can just live and trust in Jesus and continue on? Or do I want to take that authority into my own hands? Do I want to determine what's right and what's wrong? God's placement of the trees was intentional to show us that these two choices remain central to our daily lives.